Hi there, I'm Jake. Welcome to today's lesson on describing feelings. Ready to learn some useful sentences? Let's get started. He feels angry. He feels angry.
He gets angry when his brother takes his things.
He feels brave. He feels brave.
He feels brave when he climbs the rocks.
I feel bored. I feel bored.
I feel bored when there's nothing to do.
I feel calm. I feel calm.
The ocean makes me feel calm.
He is cheerful. He is cheerful.
He is cheerful in the morning.
My hands feel cold. My hands feel cold.
My hands feel cold in the winter.
The boy is curious. The boy is curious.
The boy is curious about insects.
The couple is excited. The couple is excited.
The couple is excited to go on a trip.
The teacher is friendly. The teacher is friendly.
The teacher is friendly to the new student.
I feel happy. I feel happy.
I feel happy when I play with my friends.
The weather feels hot. The weather feels hot.
The weather feels hot in the summer.
I feel hungry. I feel hungry.
I feel hungry before lunch.
She's kind. She is kind.
She is kind when she helps the homeless.
He feels lonely. He feels lonely.
He feels lonely when no one is around.
I feel lucky. I feel lucky.
I feel lucky to have won the lottery.
The young couple gets mad. The young couple gets mad.
The young couple gets mad when they argue.
I feel so peaceful. I feel so peaceful.
I feel so peaceful in the forest.
The dad feels playful. The dad feels playful.
The dad feels playful as he lifts his boy up in the air.
I am proud. I am proud.
I am proud of my drawing.
She feels relaxed. She feels relaxed.
She feels relaxed at the beach.
She is sad. She is sad.
She is sad because she lost her toy.
I feel safe. I feel safe.
I feel safe with my family.
I feel scared. I feel scared.
I feel scared in the dark.
She feels shy. She feels shy.
She feels shy when meeting the man she loves.
He feels silly. He feels silly.
He made a silly face and laughed.
I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy after reading a book.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
I am sorry for breaking your vase.
She feels strong. She feels strong.
She feels strong after her workout.
She is thirsty. She is thirsty.
She is thirsty after playing outside.
I feel tired. I feel tired.
I feel tired after a long day.
She feels amazed. She feels amazed.
She feels amazed by the big fireworks.
He was amused. He was amused.
He was amused by the funny joke.
She is annoyed. She is annoyed.
She is annoyed by the loud music.
I feel awake. I feel awake.
I feel awake after drinking coffee.
He feels awkward. He feels awkward.
He felt awkward when he forgot her name.
The nurse is caring. The nurse is caring.
The nurse is caring when she helps the patient.
She feels certain. She feels certain.
She feels certain that she knows the answer.
I feel confident. I feel confident.
I feel confident about my test.
She feels concerned. She feels concerned.
She feels concerned about her sick pet.
He was confused. He was confused.
He was confused by the new game rules.
He feels content. He feels content.
He feels content after eating lunch.
I am determined. I am determined.
I am determined to finish this race.
He is disappointed. He is disappointed.
He is disappointed that the game was canceled.
I get distracted. I get distracted.
I get distracted by noise when I read.
I feel energetic. I feel energetic.
I feel energetic after a good sleep.
He is envious. He is envious.
He feels envious of his friend's new bike.
They feel free. They feel free.
They feel free during their summer vacation.
She feels frustrated. She feels frustrated.
She feels frustrated when the puzzle is hard.
The mom is gentle. The mom is gentle.
The mom is gentle when she feeds her baby.
I feel guilty. I feel guilty.
I feel guilty for breaking the cup.
She is helpful. She is helpful.
She is helpful when she cleans up the table.
She is hesitant. She is hesitant.
She is hesitant to try new food.
She is hopeful. She is hopeful.
She is hopeful about having a beautiful baby.
He is interested. He is interested.
He is interested in learning about space.
She feels irritated. She feels irritated.
She feels irritated when her little brother makes noise.
She feels jealous. She feels jealous.
She feels jealous when her friend gets a new toy.
She feels nervous. She feels nervous.
She feels nervous before her speech.
He feels offended. He feels offended.
He feels offended when someone is rude to him.
She is optimistic. She is optimistic.
She is optimistic about the future.
She is relieved. She is relieved.
She felt relieved after finding her keys.
He feels satisfied. He feels satisfied.
He feels satisfied after finishing his homework.
She feels surprised. She feels surprised.
She was surprised by the birthday cake.
He feels tearful. He feels tearful.
He feels tearful when he watches a sad movie.
She is thoughtful. She is thoughtful.
She is thoughtful when she helps her friends.
She is an understanding person. She is an understanding person.
She is an understanding friend when her friend feels sad.
He is upset. He is upset.
He is upset because he lost his book.
He feels worried. He feels worried.
He feels worried about his lost pet.
He is encouraged. He is encouraged.
He feels encouraged after his teacher praised him.
He feels aggressive. He feels aggressive.
He feels aggressive when he loses a game.
He feels so alive. He feels so alive.
He feels so alive when he surfs.
She feels anxious. She feels anxious.
She feels anxious before her test.
She feels awful. She feels awful.
She feels awful about forgetting her friend's birthday.
He feels bold. He feels bold.
He feels bold before his first parachute jump.
She feels dizzy. She feels dizzy.
She feels dizzy after spinning in circles.
He feels down. He feels down.
He feels down after losing his job.
She was embarrassed. She was embarrassed.
She was embarrassed when she fell down.
She feels exhausted. She feels exhausted.
She feels exhausted after running a marathon.
I am fearful. I am fearful.
I am fearful of big dogs.
I am grateful. I am grateful.
I am grateful for my family.
He feels grumpy. He feels grumpy.
He feels grumpy when he wakes up early.
He feels heartbroken. He feels heartbroken.
He feels heartbroken after his girlfriend broke up with him.
She feels helpless. She feels helpless.
She feels helpless when she cannot fix her car.
She is hurt. She is hurt.
She feels hurt when someone says mean words.
He feels inspired. He feels inspired.
He feels inspired to draw after seeing a picture.
He feels impatient. He feels impatient.
He gets impatient while waiting in line.
She is joyful. She is joyful.
She was joyful on her birthday.
She feels lost. She feels lost.
She feels lost in the big park.
She feels loved. She feels loved.
She feels loved when she gets a hug.
She feels homesick. She feels homesick.
She feels homesick while looking at old photos.
She feels a bit off today. She feels a bit off today.
She feels a bit off today and doesn't know why.
I feel overwhelmed. I feel overwhelmed.
I feel overwhelmed when there's too much to do.
She is regretful. She is regretful.
She feels regretful about lying to her friend.
I feel restless. I feel restless.
I feel restless when I can't sleep.
She feels sick. She feels sick.
She feels sick and stays in bed.
He feels stressed. He feels stressed.
He feels stressed about his homework.
He feels depressed. He feels depressed.
He feels depressed after drinking alcohol.
She is touched. She is touched.
She is touched when her friend writes her a nice note.
He feels useless. He feels useless.
He feels useless when he burns the bread.
He is uncertain. He is uncertain.
He is uncertain about which way to go.
He feels uncomfortable. He feels uncomfortable.
He feels uncomfortable in his tight shoes.
He feels empty. He feels empty.
He feels empty when his best friend moves away.
And that's a wrap for today's 100 sentences about feelings. Pretty simple, right? Keep practicing and you'll get better every day. See you next time. Goodbye, friends.